Hello, greetings from Booneri. In today's GK topic, we will learn why do some people snore? What causes snoring? And what can be done to stop snoring? Watch ahead to find out. What exactly causes the snoring sound while sleeping? When we are normally breathing, air flows in smoothly. But when we are sleeping, people experience obstructed breathing. It is because of this obstructed breathing of air that causes the snoring sound. Snoring is sometimes a nuisance to a person's bed partner as it disrupts their sleep, making them toss and turn around, depriving them of peaceful and calm slumber. It can possibly also be the same for the person who is himself or herself snoring. They may lack peaceful and sound sleep. An estimated number of adults who snore occasionally is about 45%, while the number of people who snore regularly is 25%. For some, snoring is not an occasional phenomenon, but it can be a chronic problem. People are more likely to snore if they are older or overweight or middle-aged. These night noises might also seem to worsen with age advancing from youth to old age. So, why do people snore? Let's find out. When you're off to bed, you doze off and progress from light sleep to deep sleep. When you breathe while sleeping, you take in air through your nose. This air flows in through the airway. But what happens is that there are muscles in the roof of the mouth which are called soft palate. These muscles begin to relax. So, our airway becomes narrowed due to the relaxed muscles. The more narrowed your airway, the more forceful the airflow becomes. This increases the vibration, causing the snoring sound. Similarly, some people breathe with their mouth open. So when the air goes in, it touches the small piece of tissue hanging from the roof of the mouth, which is called the uvula. Air keeps hitting against the uvula, and this dashing of the air against the hanging uvula also causes vibration, leading to a snoring sound while sleeping. So, what can be done to avoid snoring? Take a look. What are some ways to avoid snoring and sleep peacefully? Here are some techniques. Generally, people tend to snore if they sleep on their back. Rather than sleeping like this, lying down sideways can help because this position relaxes our throat muscles partially but doesn't block the airway, so you can breathe normally. Another method is the use of pillows. Not the regular shaped pillows, but nowadays there are pillows that are wedge shaped that elevate our head, keeping our airway passage free. Next, stay away from alcohol at least 2 hours from your sleep time, as alcohol intake relaxes the throat muscle. This causes you to snore more while you're sleeping. So better to avoid alcohol. Another point is to quit smoking, as the irritating smoke from cigarettes may cause swelling inflammation along the airway. These are some ways that can be tried to reduce snoring, but if you've tried self-help solutions without success and are having difficulty in breathing, then it's time you seek medical help.